Hey everyone! Now we will see how to use the Prediction Settlements cube for tracking payouts and position management. This API monitors split, merge, and redemption events. Splits mint outcome positions, merges combine them back to collateral, and redemptions are when winners claim their payouts. Let's see three powerful queries. First, let's track large redemptions from whales. This filters for redemptions over 10,000 US dollars, catching big winners claiming payouts. You get the holder address, amounts in both tokens and USD, which market they won, the winning outcome label, and transaction details. The collateral amount in USD shows their actual payout value. Perfect top winners for a specific market. Filter by the exact question title to see who won the most on that specific market. This aggregates all redemptions per holder address, ranking them by total redeemed amount. You see the leaderboard of winners for that market. Great for building winner leaderboards, analyzing who predicted correctly, or identifying skilled traders on specific event types. Finally, let's find which markets had the most redemption activity. This aggregates redemptions across all markets, ranking by total payout volume. You see which markets resolved recently with the highest redemption activity, plus which outcome won. Markets with more redemptions had more participants and engagement. Perfect for identifying popular market categories, tracking platform activity, or finding high liquidity prediction markets. You can check out many more APEs or real-time stream examples in the docs. You can also create new custom queries for the data you need. All queries in the description. Drop a like, subscribe, and let me know what you built with these APIs.